We shall now witness the retirement of the PNP badge. May we request our honoree to please rise and move forward, and to read the retirement of the PNP badge is Police Brigadier General William M. Sagun.
Retirement of the PNP badge. Police Brigadier General Edwin Milantilax. Pag taking the oath and assumption to office, the Filipino people and the Constitution vested you with the power and authority as a legal person. As such, you implore the aid of the Almighty. That authority symbolized the PNP badge. The badge of honor, please stir your heart to remind you of your duty to enforce the law without fear of favor, to defend the rights of the people, especially the weak, the poor, and the marginalized. At the center of your badge is the PNP seal, held briefly by our hero, Lapu-Lapu, the first Filipino to defend our country against foreign invaders. Hence, your badge symbolizes your selfless sacrifice and willingness to die in the service of God, country, and people. On your badge are the virtues of service, honor, and justice, which you live out with unwavering commitment. You keep the badge unsullied, free from any breach of fidelity. You have endeavored to avoid any aspersion against our institution. You preserve or cherish police customs and traditions, and never countenance any deviation from them. Police Brigadier General Edwin Aquilar Quiratis. You were a police officer. You have worn your badge with honor and pride. Now, after 33 years, 1 month, and 18 days of faithful police service, and upon reaching your retirement day, it's time to retire your badge. You may now detach your badge.
With honor, dignity, and learning to serve, PNP badge symbolize power, authority, destiny, and
May I request our presiding officer, ably represented by Police Lieutenant General Bernard Nalbana, CDCA, to accept the PNP badge of our honor. Thank you very much, sir.